Hi, welcome to my channel. The reason I bought this is I have it with this Sony a6700. I love this camera. I seriously love this camera. But I want something, well, you will see. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Purely the reason I bought it. So for this I paid 4,999 Swedish crowns. Original price is 8,290 crowns, Swedish crowns, I'm guessing. And this is brand new. They just had a like 41% discount. So let's begin with the unboxing. So I bought it because it will be much more practical many times to have this one compared to the Sony a6700. Don't get me wrong, I love that camera. And this is what is left in the box. Documents. And the box is empty. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Like a protector for it. I guessing that this is the one that you put the device in, and you can have it in your pocket and you will not hurt the gimbal, damage the gimbal. So that is good. Empty, as you can see. The reason I bought the Creator Combo was purely simple because the one, just the camera, was actually more expensive than the Creator Combo. That was perfect for me. This kind of bag I recognize. It's the same kind of bag as you get for the microphone, the DJI microphone. I think DJI version 2 is the one I have. And here is the camera. It's okay in the size. And here is the microphone that comes with this when you had a Creator Combo. There's cable, probably for charging that one. You will not get a charger in this box. And by the weight of this one, it feels like it's the external extra battery. Yeah. You have a USB-C in the bottom here. You have USB-C on the top on this one. And when you have a button here, when you press that button, you can see the hands gripping. They are like open to get around these ones to lock it in place, to have it secured. You see, or actually you heard that click. And here's something more. And I forgot to say that this extra battery also have this hole here, so you can attach a tripod or extra accessories. So this is the extra battery. This is like an adapter. This is the adapter. You just put it on, and when you have it on, you can, with this screw here, you can have a tripod. I'm guessing this is the tripod. This is the tripod. With the screw, and you screw it on here on the bottom. So then you can have it standing on the table, you can have it on selfie mode. I will not turn it on right now. I'm gonna charge it first. You can have it on selfie mode, and you can also just put it on a table and, sorry to say this wrong, like program it so it will follow you while you're walking. Like if I'm walking in the kitchen and fixing things or something, it will follow me. Here is a dead cat. This dead cat is meant to be on this microphone. You see the hole here and the little stick here. You just like that. It's for wind noise. Funny name, dead cat. I don't know if I want to know how they came up with that name. And here is, I'm guessing, the wide angle lens that is coming included in Creator Combo package. The camera on and this lens here, you just attach it to the lens on the camera and you have a wide angle shot. And it's attached with a magnet. That is simple. Just attach it like that and you will have a wider shot. And then you have like armrest here, and that is, you see here the hole here. You just push this in here like with a toothpick or something, because my finger will not do that. And then you can just lock it with this one, and you can handheld it like that, so you don't kind of drop it. It will like this and not attached. What do you guys think about this camera? Don't be surprised that the new one will be released tomorrow. But no matter what, I'm gonna keep this one anyway. So this is what came in this box. You have the bag you have the USB to USB cable for charging it. It will not have a charger width, but you can have your cell phone charger, your iPad charger, and you have a DJI microphone, wireless. Dead cat, you put it on the microphone when you're outside and recording. It blocks very much noise, wind and all that. Extra battery, also with the screw under, so you can put it on the tripod. And the camera itself with the adapter. I need to learn these buttons. The adapter, USB-C port into the USB-C here, and then you have the USB-C on the back of the camera, so you can charge it while you're using it, and the screw here, so you can attach it to a tripod. And the camera itself, and this protector, as I heard that there's going to be like a magnet here for the wide-angle lens. Yeah, with the magnet here you have this side, you have this side. Apparently here is the magnets, here is for the wide-angle lens, and you can just put it there and it will stay there according to DJI. Now I'm gonna charge it and put the settings in so I can start to use it. What do you think, guys? Do you have a camera like this? Put a comment below. Tell me, what do you think about this camera? Are you using it? Do you like it? Do you have any settings that you prefer? Thank you so much for watching this channel. And if you like this, don't forget to put a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's a very small channel trying to grow. Click on the bell also, you will have a notification when I release a new video. So, thank you so much. See you in the next video.